How to use Culture review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Culture is a powerful video platform for education and enterprise, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its potential. Here's how to use it effectively. The first mistake is skipping onboarding. Most people get this wrong by jumping into video uploads without understanding roles, permissions, and analytics. Completing onboarding ensures you can manage content and users properly. Second mistake, poor video organization. You won't believe how many users upload videos without categorizing or tagging them. Culture allows playlists, categories, and metadata tagging, which improves searchability and audience engagement. Third mistake, ignoring analytics. The surprising truth is that Culture provides detailed insights like watch time, engagement, and drop-off rates. Beginners often ignore these metrics, missing the chance to improve content. Fourth mistake, underutilizing integrations. Culture works with LMS platforms, social media, and content management systems. Failing to connect these limits workflow efficiency and audience reach. Finally, not optimizing playback settings is common. Beginners forget adaptive streaming captions or mobile compatibility, which impacts user experience. And figuring these features ensures smooth playback for all viewers. Using Culture properly means completing onboarding, organizing content effectively, analyzing performance, leveraging integrations, and optimizing playback. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll maximize the platform's power for learning, marketing, or corporate video strategies.